Hi Earthlings! I am Earth, Earthling of EarthlingGorgeous.com, and today I'm gonna do my vlogger mail time. Anyway, let's start with this one. This is from Personally Delivered by Paul Schwartz. Twister, fruity iced tea, fruity iced tea, calorie iced tea. From sample booklet, ang bago at ang pinakabagong Bello Kojic acid, tranexamic acid, what bar, new bago. Ito na yung also from sample cute na another Bello Kojic. Magpaputi na daw ako kasi ang shooting ko na. Ito po ay galing sa Generica, Nutrawell at Alwata. Boost your wellness. Collagen talaga. Yan kita na nagpaputi. At face mask. Gusto ko to, favorite ko to. Face mask, may anti-wrinkle at may whitening. Whitening daw talaga magkakita siya. Sinagay. Kaya nagpapaputi. From Colgate. Bad breath daw ako. Bad breath daw ako. Kaya kailangan ko mag-stop yan. Unhealthy gums. Unhealthy gums. Shine! Colgate Active Salt. Ito yung pinapromote ni Rowena. Colgate Active Salt. From M&M's Greenbite Awards 2017 and Combo Southeast Asia. Ay! Ooh! So cute! Pink canister. Really pack of M&M's. From Fearmoon. One, two, three, challenge! Wow! Pang lola. Joke lang. And the biggest box of more from Iran. So that's my vlogger mail for today or for this week. Thank you for watching.